Remember to subscribe to Big's channel.
Good morning! We're on our way to the StyleCon Asia. Today is the 5th of June. Ito yung first day ng StyleCon Asia dito sa Manila, Philippines. At gagawin to sa KL Tower sa may Makati nga. And the event will start at 9:30 in the morning. Tapos, ngayong araw na to ay yung Creators Collab Day. So, it's going to be so much fun. And yes, I will be hosting the event. So, dadalhin ko kayo doon para makita nyo kung ano mga nangyayari. Magkakaroon, kaya siya tinawag na Creators Collab Day. Parang gagawang on the spot na video yung mga creators. Magko-collab sila. Ayun. So, ayan. Kasama ko si Queen P. Yan siya sa harap. Sa Grab kami ngayon. Hi everyone! We're already here at KL Tower with Queen Bay. And we're just preparing already, and I'm already so nervous right now. But it's just going to be like a casual event lang daw. So, pinakita sa akin yung flow ng program. Okay lang. Very casual. Parang, you know, simple gathering with friends. And yung pinaka-awesome lang dito ay gagawa lahat ng videos. Some of the creators are already here. And si Ate Char, sila Chris, and sila Yep, sila Rach.
Ako, ipal na naman.
Ayun, ipal na naman. Siya mag-video sa akin mamaya kapag ka nasa harapan ako. So, ayun. Good morning! Okay, so, hey guys, is it okay that we took a little of our time kahit nasa meeting? Okay, so no problem at all because it's going to be so exciting.
I'm so happy you guys are here today. Thank you guys so much for coming. I know, traffic, not great on a Sunday morning, and thank you guys for coming so early in the morning. So basically, I was telling Big just now, the reason why we have a collab day is because last year we had some gatherings, we had dinners, tea parties, but we thought maybe it's time. Amazing. We're so happy to have her here. She has worked, in productions. She has led productions in Nickelodeon, MTV, Cartoon Network, and it's not easy to get someone here. And CNN, yes, yes, CNN. So we're really honored to have her here to be sharing and actually doing live demonstration on how to create great videos. So over to you, Yasmin.
It's not working perfect, it's okay. I'm born with a microphone, so I can turn really low. Got the talent in all the makeup and DIY, and we just wanted to look more compelling to our viewers. So first of all, so you could get more millions and bazillions of video views, and you can make more money with stuff. So that's the purpose for this talk. So camera work. It's very important for beauty content producers. I mean, since you're not really presenting your DIY in front of a live audience, in front of a live audience is easy. You've got the talent, she looks pretty, then it's fine. But what if not much people know you yet, and yet you want to earn money because you've got a talent? So the thing now is that, no matter how awesome you are, if it doesn't register well in the final output, then obviously you guys are artists, so we'll just go down to the nitty-gritty. And whatever I'm going to suggest, it's not going to be anything expensive. Maybe the price point is between 25,000 or higher, which is not that much. And you even have an option to use your iPhone when you're shooting your stuff.
So, start na ng challenge and hinati na sa group. Hindi ako pwede sumali kasi ako host. But it's okay. It's going to be so much fun. And then I'm going to show you later the products here that will be featured na pwedeng gamitin sa mga videos nila. So, nahati sila by 3 groups. And then they're going to think of their own channel name na mag-represent dun sa, kasi the thing is, your style squad, kung grungy ba kayo, punk, cutie-cutie, Korean, mga gano'n, diba? So, kung kayo sasali, anong gusto nyo yung theme? So, tignan natin kung ano
guys, I have a question, whether everybody needs to be...
Hi, Lindy! Thank you so much! I'm sorry for being so tall.
No, don't. I tried on my heels.
to the video.
Everybody is remember to subscribe to Big channel.
Yay! Thank you! Thank you, thank you! Ano masasabi mo? Si Bob's beauty, eh! Si Bob's beauty! In picture kami, it's so awesome! Oh my gosh, I'm going to die! So, nag-iikot sila. This is so cool! Okay guys, so nandito yung mga products, yung mga sponsored, yung mga beauty products na pwedeng gamitin ng mga creators na video challenge na to. So I'm going to show you the products. Meron dito yung hair curler, kanina na feature, pinakita sa amin yung video kung paano gamitin. So it's basically hair curler.
It's a special edition, pink.
Ano yan? Vodana.
Yeah, special edition. Kasi yung di ba kanina, hindi naman ganyan yung color.
Ayan, Vodana. Color pink, special edition daw yan. Vodana hair curler. So, we can use that para i-try. And then we also have, what's that?
Eklabu. Ay,
Ano?
Eklabu. Eklabu.
Eklabu daw. Bullshit ka talaga eh. No?
Tingnan mo.
Ito yan. White pearl station. Clavu. White pearl station in which divine pearl. So, tingnan mo nga kung ano itsura sa loob. Tingnan natin. So, ako magbi-video, si Queen Bee yung mag-chochorva eklabu. Oh, so may oh!
Medyo thick.
Paamoy! May bango! Ay, may bango! Sabi ko, may bango! May amoy!
Yeah, mild lang.
Oo, mild lang. Mas gusto ko pa nga yung ganyan kaysa sa mga super scented na ano. Oh my gosh. So, tatry ni Queen Bee. Pearlsation. Ano ba siya? Pearl cream. So, para siyang moisturizer. Okay. So, may spatula na kasama. Thick yung consistency?
No, di ba siguro kaya siya pearl? Kasi parang...
Parang luminescent siya. Oh my God. Ay, oo, thick nga yung consistency. Okay.
This one's serum.
The next one is the Clavu White Pearlsation Serum. Ito yung cream, yung isa. Ayan, yung cream. This is called the Dr. Flora Floral Cream White Freshness. And then we also have here the Dr. Flora Floral Lotion.
Alam mo yung feeling nito may pagka-primer.
And then the rest of the products are from Glam Skin. Yan, from Glam Skin. Alam mo yung Glam Skin na yan? Ano yung Glam Skin? Ano yung unang product na yan? Ano yan?
Dito, tapos dito sa kabila yung
Papaya and grapefruit.
dito yung Korean, tapos dito meron
Yung
papaya
nga.
and grapefruit essence water cream.
Oh, Essence Water Cream. This one is also the Papaya and Grapefruit Instant Brightening Cream naman. Paamoy ang bango! Actually, para siyang, alam mo, pabango sa kwarto, yung ganon. And then this one is the Papaya and Grapefruit Instant Brightening Cream naman. So I think mas thin yung consistency ng hawak ni Queen. Tingnan nyo.
Si familiar kayo dun sa eye white na moisturizer na aqua.
Yung color
siya,
blue,
tingnan mo,
yung eye white.
Merong mga water na lumalabas.
Yung whitening Vita na lang.
Yun,
Aqua
ganun
moisturizer.
siya.
Instant brightening cream. Instant brightening? So, sa tingin mo meron siyang pampaputi or what na
Yeah, let's
instant whitening? Oh my God. I think nga kasi it's very thick. And then, can I have?
wait lang.
Huwag kang gumala.
Ito to.
Ay! Ganun din yung amoy niya, ang bango.
Oo, papaya.
O sige. Tapos, after nyan, i-compare.
Yeah, sa
Ito-compare ni Queen Bee sa kamay niya kung talagang nag-brighten ba yung isang kamay niya, yung nilalagyan niya. Nga, patingin nga.
I think so. Parang
Ay, oh my God, teka, dito ka. Oy guys, oo, nag-brighten to. Instant brightening siya. Kumpara mo siya dito. Nag-brighten up to, tsaka parang mas healthy nga siyang tignan. Oh my God, that's so awesome. Gusto ko niyan. Hindi, alam nyo kasi meron yung mga instant whitening creams and instant whitening lotion na sobrang thick, na sobrang obvious na meron nga sa skin mo, na obvious talaga na gumamit ka ng instant whitening. Pero ito, very skin-like lang talaga and very natural looking. What's that?
moisturizing
Na parang gusto ko yan. Oh my gosh.
mist.
Moisturizing gel mist. Oh! You can try it on your face. You can try it on your face.
Gel siya pero
Oh, yung bangs natin. Ano? Ako din gusto ko.
Refreshing.
Ang cool kasi gel siya. Pero, pag sila gel siya, pero nagtapos. Tatry natin.
Sarap, diba?
Medyo overwhelming yung set niya kasi fruity. Pero, yeah, I love it. This is again the Glam Skin Papaya and Grapefruit Moisturizing Gel Mist. I love it. Hintayin natin matuyo. Very hydrating. This is so cute and cool. The girls are already trying the products. Ayan, nagkakagulo na sila doon. Tinry ko sa face ko yung parang gel lang siya sa bottle. Pero pag in-spray mo, magiging mist na siya. And it's very refreshing sa face. And I think makaka-help din yun para ano, yung mas maging maganda yung register ng makeup. Flora!
Dr. Flora, hindi na.
Ay, oo! Later, pag after nila.
Kasi parang ang mel ng sis, parang very pangmayaman yung feeling.
Si Ate Brevi. Oh, vlogception. Ate Brevi. Lahat ng camera nakataas. Lahat sila nagva-vlog, nagtitake ng picture. It's so awesome.
Buti kasama ba?
Of course. Kailangan ko ng taga-video.
Nakikita ko sa mga post pag nakaano siya.
Squat! Ang ganda ng ilaw sa spot na to. Dapat dito sila mag-video. Pero sana wag na mabago yung lighting, diba? Vlog kami. Ano name mo?
I'm Shakai na Chen.
Teka lang. No.
Shakai na Chen.
Shakai na Chen. Anong YouTube mo? Dali para mag-subscribe. Ang cute niya. Ay ba? Yung cute niya. Siya Shakai na Chen. Anong YouTube channel?
I have a YouTube channel. It's Shek's Diary and it's still new. It's a baby channel.
Go lang! Go!
She's so nice talaga. Nakikita ko kasi vlog yung
Mahilig ako tumawa talaga. Saka maingay ako. Ayaw na lang manalo, ayaw na lang sumali. Pumunta na, ayaw na lang. Oo. Ito, ano? Tingnan nyo nga, ganyan lang yung dinala niya. Ayaw niyang manalo. Oo. Diba? Hindi ko alam kung bakit yung mga taong to hindi nag-prepare. Sabi ko na, sinabi naman sila magdala ng mga gamit, pero hindi sila nagdala. Ayan lang yung dinala. So, ano masabi mo?
Kakain na lang kami. Kakain na kami.
Nagkainan na yung mga kalaban, guys. Tikis! Kayong tatlo magka-group? May team na kayo?
May team?
Oo.
Meron na. Storyline na kami.
Excited na kaming makita yan. Ipe-play lahat ng videos nyo later. Yes! Good luck, guys! Oo nga! Ito si That's Hard. Siyempre, nandito si Bobs. Papahuli pa si That's Hard. Ito si Nakirisip ko na si
That's Hard. Ayun na namin sumali.
Oo nga, ayaw na
Kaya na lang kami.
Hindi naman sila prepared, okay lang yan.
May ring light, may background. Ano na lang gagawin namin, di ba? Hindi tripod, wala kami dala.
Okay lang yan. Work with what you have. Diba? It's the content that matters.
Para sa pool. Yan nakaswimsuit sila.
Ano? Tara sa pool.
Swimsuit sila eh.
Sa pool na lang.
Yung water makeup channel.
Ay, oo, nasa ilalim kayo. Ang crazy talaga ito si Aisha. Go guys! Huwag niyong karirin. It's Bobs!
Like my makeup is sweating off.
No, it still looks awesome.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
It's so funny because you have to point the camera at me because I'm so tired.
Look, they're so prepared. They're so prepared. Wag ka na makiya, girl! Pinapakita namin kay Lindy si Jenzel yung God's Heart natin dito sa Philippines. Although Filipina din si Heart, diba? Hi everyone, I'm in Paul.
I'm Paul from Malaysia and I make beauty videos.
From Malaysia?
From Malaysia.
She's a beauty blogger from Malaysia. Awesome! And look at her brows.
No, her brows is fine. No, you're being nice.
No, thank you. You're so gorgeous. I love your necklace.
Thank you.
It's so nice to meet, you know, fellow YouTubers from other
Other countries,
countries.
right? This is my first time in Philippines and I love Philippines.
How do you find the Philippines?
Yes, so friendly. Oh my god.
Of course. The Filipinos are known for being hospitable,
Oh, okay.
so I'm really proud of that. We're all approachable. And I hope that soon I can visit your country.
Yes, and if you do, please contact me. I can totally bring you back.
Oh my god, I'm going to the next one. I will let you know. Yeah, thank you so much, pa. How to be you po, Chari? Yes. Si real Asian beauty. Inilawan ng ano? Mag-OOTD ka. Saan galing yung mga, mo, eksena mo?
OOTD na naman to.
Woohoo!
Gusto ko yung heels nila.
Oo. Teka lang, wala pa hanggang ulo. Sorry.
Kain na tayo.
Ay, gutom na siya. Inaano ko, ginugulo ko pag gutom na pala. Uy, tara, kain na tayo. Ang ganda kasi ng outfit niya. Yung Christy. Tapos, ayun. Video sila.
Kain na tayo.
Gusto ko ipakita yung food. Tara. Ayan, may nagbi-video doon. Pwede pala tayo mag-picture-picture doon. Wait lang. Sige ba, ikaw muna. Hawakan mo. Birthday mo po.
Na birthday ko actually ha.
Birthday niya sa June 11. So, yan na doon. Handa niya talaga. Pagpasensya niyo na abnormal talaga yan. Go, guys.
Ano? Tayo.
Tara na, sorry.
Karating lang ba?
Crazy. Ayan yung mga food. And then, what's that? Mushroom and chicken. Yummers. Oops, not too much. Woohoo! Kumakain na sila. Christine, ano? Tara na, kain na.
Ito yung diet. Yan yung secret sa diet.
Nagda-diet.
Pag ka, mag-vlog ka.
Ay, teka lang, magbablog pala ako. Ayoko na kumain, mag-vlog ka lang. Yun daw yung secret niya sa diet, mag-vlog. So guys, kasi joke na, kain ako.
Magkwento ka na magkwento sa vlog.
You have your own shop. What you do is you put in products. Like for example, if you like the Glam Skin product, you put
Okay, so konting oras na lang, meron yung mga challengers and nag-edit na sila ng mga videos nila. Kanya-kanya na silang pag-edit kasi by 2 p.m. it's already 1:45 na yata. So by 2 p.m. kailangan nilang i-submit yung mga videos nila. And then later on, we're going to play that sa harapan and then the judges will judge. So, si Anna Victorino, si Christine, and of course si Bob's Beauty, sila yung mga judges. So, excited na ako makita yung mga ginawa nila. Nakakatuwa kasi mga concepts nila. So, abangan nyo dun yun. May pool, hindi naman kami na-inform. Di sana nagdala kami ng pang-swimming. Tatlo. Ayun sila. Performance level. Cute. Ito kasi hindi sumali. Ang gagawin mo ba pag inulog kita dyan?
Eh, di ano pa.
Aahon. Naiyak. Ganda yung pool dito. Parang mababaw lang siya pero ang ganda. Parang gusto ko. Ang nasarap mag-picture taking here. Parang gustong-gusto ko ng picture kami dito. Today, Queen Bee and I are using our brag bags. So I have here the Blaze. So this is the Blaze bag. Si Queen Bee ang gamit ng bag. Uy, wait lang. Kasi ayaw niya pakita. Ayan. This one is called the Gazania bag in gray. Gazania big. And then sa akin yun nga, yung Blaze yung gamit ko. Nalalagyan Bastos talaga tong kapatid ko nito eh. Nag-promote ako dito eh. Blaze bag. Meron ding iba-ibang colors pa yan. And it's really nice. Ang ganda ng mga bags ng brand bags. So if you're interested guys, I have a giveaway for that. Excited na ako. And iba-ibang giveaway yon. So weekly. So baka kung tapos na yung sa ibang giveaway yung mga nauna, isang buwan kaming gagawa ng giveaway weekly. So 4 giveaways yun or 5 yata. Nakalimutan ko na. And then kung gusto niyo ng sarili niyong bag, kung mahilig kayo sa bags, girl, sali ka. Alam niyo ba yung app na Snow? So since wala pa kami ginagawa ni Queen Bee kasi hinihintay namin matapos yung pag-edit ng mga challengers ng videos nila. So mag-i-snow muna kami. Teka lang. Kikita nyo ba? Ayan o. Hala! Ayun, dinidilaan ko yung... Pakita mo ulit. Sa pa. Itaas mo gandi eh. Ano mo yung ano? Ang cute kasi. Dali ka. Hindi, ano mo. Yung alive. Ayan. Didilaan ko yung cam. Didilaan ko yung... Dinilaan yung camera. Dinilaan yung camera. Ang nakakatawa dyan, kasi parang nagiging accurate, na-adjust. Kunwari ba? Yes! Ayan, katulad yan. Kunwari baboy yung ginamit mo. Lumalapad din yung mukha mo. Ang galing. Ang cute. Snow. Ang ginagamit ko kasi camera 360. Yung camera 360 dati ayaw nila kasi diba yung parang ang peke daw, pinapaganda mo ka, Insta Beauty, ganyan, lalo kang gumaganda. Pero nakakatuwa kasi sa camera 360 ngayon, yung mga upgraded, may mga ganun na rin sila mga filters. So, fun na din siya. Pwede na din videos. Okay, so food na naman. Food na naman. Nakita ka mga food. Ayan, pasta and bread. And yay, may dessert pa. Alala, nakapila na naman.
Hindi ako nakapila.
Kamusta video? Na-exhaust ba kayo?
Oo!
Ilang minutes? Binigyan ba kayo ng minutes kung?
Wala silang minigay na time.
Pero maikli lang ganawa.
Maikli lang.
Ipe-play lahat yun later. Na-excite na ako. Bango. Pesto.
Hindi namin masyadong nanamnam yung food kanina.
Kasi natatense.
Kasi nagmamadali kami para makapag-edit.
Pressure ka. Hello! You're so pretty.
Thank you. You're so pretty.
You're Roseanne, right?
Yes, I'm Roseanne.
You're from Singapore.
Yeah. Hi guys, my name is Roseanne and my YouTube's at youtube.com/RoseanneTiaras.
Yee! She's so pretty. You do make sure.
Yes, I do, yeah.
Yay, fellow beauty vlogger. My sister watches. Okay guys, so food again. And we have pesto pasta. Yay! Pesto pasta and toasted bread. Woohoo! Let's start with the first group, and of course your videos will be judged by awesome judges, especially Cindy. So yeah, and this is like going to be the American Idol style. Every time we play the group's video, we're going to ask the judges what do they think about your videos. It's going to be so cool. Okay, so the first group is the group of Kat, Shara, and Meg. So can you first tell us a little bit about your video? What did you do? Judges to decide kung sino yung mga nanalo. Nakita lang mga videos kanina. Sobrang nakakatawa ang gagaling ng mga creators na to. Pero yun naman ang konti lang ng oras na binigay sa kanila. Pero nagawa na nila agad yun.
They're so creative.
Very creative. And ang ganda ng mga ideas nila. And I want to commend also yung group nila Ate Brady. Parang the last minute lang sila nag-decide kung anong team nila. Sa huli parang ayaw na lang gawin. Kasi bakit naman kasi daw they only have their phones. And it's so cool kasi sa phone lang nila in-edit. So So it's really nice. And congratulations to all of you guys. And to the winner, tignan natin sino mananalo. Meron pala akong video bomb.
Hi guys, it's 4 in the afternoon at umi-epal ako sa vlog ng Miss Free. Kasi, ito siya, very busy ang lola mo. Ayun, umi-epal ako sa vlog niya kasi very busy siya. Tapos, ayun, nag-usap sila ngayon. I-announce nila yung winner dun sa challenge.
Are you guys excited to see who the winner is?
Yes!
Okay, because we're going to flash who the winner is. We're going to play your video. So if you see your faces, then congratulations. Okay, and the winner is...
Drum roll please!
Drum roll please, okay? Yeah, that's because of the hair flipping moment. Congratulations!
Dude, definitely the hair flip.
For the short cameo, which is hobby. So yeah, maybe ask for the judges. Please go up here. Hi, judges. Genzo.
Nice!
And my short cameo ni hobby. Ano sabi nyo?
Thank you very, very much. Ganda kasi ng ano namin ay star. Main actress. Thank you. Thank you.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you.
Excellent. Congratulations again, girl. And thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much to all of you guys. So now we can take photos here. Group photos, you guys. Squad goals, squad goals.
Everyone, come to the front. Everyone.
Picture taking. That's a wrap. Hi, do you know that I'm her twin? Yeah, we're twins. We're separated at birth.
Become shapeless.
Oh my God! Princess na kami! My long-lost sisters. Oh! Quadruplets! Quintuplets! I love it! These are all my sisters from another mothers. I don't know where to look anymore. Ang daming camera sa tiny screen. Ganito gagawin nyo lang. It's okay to feel small. It's okay to feel small. Diba? I wish we could. Sabi sa inspirational video. Yeah. Be you. Ikaw na ba?
Bakit?
Ha? Bakit?
Sige tomorrow!
Yeah. I'm not sure. Baka dumaan. Bye! Ganda oh! Ano yan? Bawal yan! Good job! Ang galing ng editing!
Talaga?
Oo, cellphone lang yan! Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na cellphone lang ginamit sila yun. Siya yung nag-edit, nakakalo. Oo, ang galing. Yes! Triplets na kami! We're thinking about collaborating. Again? Ganyan na lang. So magkakalab kami, hindi pa namin ito gagawin namin. So ano, comment! Comment kayo sa baba. Ano gusto nyo gawin namin?
Suggestions please!
Yes! Thank you so much guys! Ay, may goodies! So all the attendees get to have their goodie bags. May nakuha ka ng goodie bag? Ito winner, winner.
Ay, thank you! Thank you! Sa pamangkin niyo sa...
Oh, si Kian!
Kian, ano na ba Kian?
Tuwang-tuwa siya. Tita, binanggit niya ako.
Kian, sumama ka na sa kapitahan mo.
Sabi yung pangalan ko.
Kian, Kian. Sa bag, sa bag.
Sama kita sa bagnak.
Bye, Kian.
Bye! Si Abby, kasi binavlog ko kanina, tinataka ko eh. Wala lang, binavlog kita, tapos sinata ko kanina, nasira tuloy yung pag-vlog ko sa'yo. Si Abby, baby! Tsaka si Iza. Oh. Yay!
Thank you so much for the
Good job, you guys. Miss Bing daw. Ate Bing daw. Okay, so tapos na yung event and we have our goodie bags and I just wanna show you, nakita nyo na siguro sa video kanina yung outfit ko. So matagal na sa akin tong dress na to. And then hindi ako nag-heels, nag-flats lang ako kasi diba, hello, matangkad na tsaka nakakapagod mag-heels. So hinihintay ko lang si Queen Bee, ayun na pala siya. Uuwi na kami and yeah, this is so much fun. I had so much fun ngayon, ang saya lang. Kahit na intimate lang yung group, pero nakakatuwa kasi yung paggawa ng mga video and parang mas may interaction kasi nga maliit lang yung group. And then tomorrow it's going to be a huge event, huge crowd. Ang dami daw talaga nag-register. It's about 500, 600. Ang dami! And it's just going to be the same event. Same event or venue. Sorry, same venue.
100 lang, dami ko.
Hindi. Yun daw yung nag-register. I'm not sure kung lahat yun pupunta. So, tingnan natin. And I'm going to try na makadaan bukas. Sana pwede ako.
Ay,